Dear student, hope you are well. I am also well. This is my first online class, so I would like to introduce myself. I am Shuvra, lecturer, Department of English, Jhaudanga Degree College, Jhaudanga, Satkhira. You know, our online classes are going on. Your English class has also been started. Your another English teacher, Mr. Johir, is describing various grammatical points, but today I will try to inform about English first paper. Look, this is your English first paper book, English for today, and the subject code of your subject, English first paper, is 107. This book is based on communicative approach. This process is very familiar to the students from class 6 to class 11 and 12. This book is divided into different units, and every unit has several lessons, and at the same time every unit has a particular title. Look, this is unit 1. This is unit 1. The title of the unit: People or Institutions Making History. There are the life of many historical people that make our history great. Nelson Mandela, our father of nation, Bangabandhu Sheikh Mujibur Rahman, Bill Gates, etc. If you read this book very carefully, you will see that the book is very informative. You can collect many things, you can get many lessons from this textbook. Today I will describe your English first paper according to the syllabus. According to the syllabus, your English first paper is divided into two parts. Part 1, reading. It bears 60 marks, and part 2, writing. It bears 40 marks. Now I am describing part 1. Part 1, number 1, question number 1. There will be a scene comprehension, and you have to write two items, A or B. A and B. Number A, there will be MCQ, 5 MCQ question, that means multiple choice question. There will be 5 multiple choice question, and you have to write 5 multiple choice question. To collect 5 marks, you need to develop your vocabulary skill. Number B, there will be 5 questions. These questions are comprehension related, the same comprehension related. All the question, every question bear 2 marks, that means 5 questions bear 10 marks. If you want to get 10 marks, you should be very careful about the structure of English language. So, if you want to carry good marks in English, at first you need to develop your vocabulary, and at the same time you need to develop the structure of English language. Number 2, there will be also a scene comprehension, and from this comprehension you have to write a flow chart. There will be a flow chart. Flow chart means one information will be given, and you have to write another 5 information accordingly. Every point bears 2 marks. So it is very important. If you want to get full marks, you have to write the comprehension and you have to understand the questions properly. Number 3, there will be also a scene comprehension, and you have to write the summary from this comprehension. We know summary may be 1/3 of the comprehension, and there will be no example. Number 4, there will be 10 gaps. and you have to fill the gap from a box. There will be a box, and in the box there will be more than 10 words, and you have to fill the gap taking the word from the box. And there is a point that the structure or the meanings of this word can be changed. There will be written that you can change the grammatical form if necessary. So to get 5 marks from this item, you have to develop the structure of English language. Number 5, there will be also 10 gaps, and there will be no clue. It is without clue. It can be your text basis, or it can be unseen. There will be another item, it is called rearrange. There will be 10 points, 10 traditional, it may be 10 traditional story or any events. You have to rearrange the sentences one by one. This is the first part of your sim comprehension. Number 7. Number 7, there will be a paragraph. Paragraph bears 10 marks, and this paragraph may be your comprehension basis, or it may be unseen. So you have to memorize, you have to realize many paragraphs, you have to develop writing paragraph skill. Number 8, there will be a story incompleted, and you have to complete the story. It also bears 7 marks. And number 9, there can be email, or there can be a letter. It bears 5 marks. Number 10, there can be a graph chart. You are well known about this item, graph chart or pie chart. It also bears 10 marks. Number 11, there will be a comprehension, or there will be a poem. You need to write the theme of this poem or the comprehension. It also bears 8 marks. So this is the syllabus of English first paper. It is sometimes we learn that it is not possible to get pass mark, or it is not possible to get 80 plus mark. But if any student at the very beginning read this comprehension, read this textbook very carefully, so it is not very tough to get pass mark or to get plus mark. So you should follow our English classes, my class, and your at the same time your Joy Sir's class. Next class I will also describe another topics. Every Wednesday our English class will be uploaded. If any problem you face, you should write about your problems, about your solution on the comment box. Today, see you in the next class. Goodbye.